Tethered System DJI MATRICE 30-55M. Introducing the professional tethered system for DJI MATRICE 30, the ultimate solution for continuous aerial operations with no flight time limitations. Powered through a high-performance 55-meter micro-tether cable, the drone receives constant energy directly from the ground, completely eliminating battery constraints and enabling up to 12 hours of uninterrupted flight. The system features an intelligent ground power station that converts standard input power into stable high-voltage, transmitted through a high-efficiency tether designed to minimize energy loss and ensure maximum operational safety. Engineered for mission-critical scenarios, this solution is ideal for 24/7 aerial surveillance, infrastructure and perimeter security, emergency response operations, high-power nighttime illumination. The integrated 450W LED spotlight transforms the drone into a powerful aerial lighting tower, capable of illuminating large operational areas with precision. With its plug-and-play architecture, the system requires no structural modification to the drone, while maintaining full compatibility with DJI control systems for safe and seamless operation. The result: continuous uptime, reduced operational costs and maximum efficiency. Tethered system for DJI MATRICE 30, where battery limits no longer exist. Output.